Jnana Seva Educational Trust, a step towards better society.
What is a circle? It is a round shape, right? Best example is our Earth, right? So previously, our old generation, we assumed that Earth is looking flat, but it's not. Later on, we discovered that it looks like a curved shape. Okay. So now coming to the definition of circle. What is a circle? A circle is a two-dimensional shape made up of all points that are equidistant. Equidistant means constant distant from a fixed point called the center. Moving on to the key parts of the circle. So what are the parts of circle we come across? So we come across center, radius, diameter, circumference, chord, arc, sector, segment, and tangent. So let's discuss all these parts in detail. The center, so it is represented by the letter O. So what is center? It is a fixed point inside the circle from which every point on the circumference is equidistant, or you can say it's constant distance. So let's take an example. Think of it like the nail in the middle when you draw a circle using a compass.